Alright, so today I'm going to show y'all how to make a Lego butterfly knife. These are the things that y'all will need. So, first, you want to get this here, or these. You want to take this piece right here. Then you want to take this, put it in there, put it this way, and there, like that. I take another one, flip it on this side, and then add another one like that. Wait a second, I messed that up. Supposed to put it this way. Put this one on there. Like that. Then take another one over here. Where'd it go? Okay. So I'm gonna take this one. Put that one on there. Like that. Then I'm gonna take a smaller piece, put that in the middle. Then take this piece, put it right there. Just like that. Like that. You want to get the concept of it now. Add the lock. So, how you add the lock is flip it this way. Take this right here. These red pieces. And take one of these pieces. Put it on the edge of it. That. Then you can just put that one in. Just like that. I'm gonna take one of two of these little round things, like this. Then you're gonna take two of these right here. Take one and put it in the other one. Like this. Put that in there. Okay, and then do the same on this side. Like that. Like this. Also this side now. And then right here, put one right there. Then one right there. I'll go for that. Go down there. Now I'm gonna add the part to where it can actually stay on. So take this and this. Right here to the ring one. No, not a ring one. This. Do you want to take one of these? Like half like that and half that. We'll put the spiky edge in there, leaving the pin one out. See, and then I'm gonna take a black thing like this one. Actually, no, not yet. Then you take this black one, put it there. Then take this black piece and put it in the blue one. Then I'm gonna take this. You want to put this in right there. After that, but you're putting it on the wrong way again. You'll take this fish real quick. And put it this way again. On the side of that. And then push it in like that. And then let's take this. And there you go. How you open it is take this. Do that. You can use it like a butterfly knife. Like this.